So this is the way. 1 minute. So now campaigning and sale program optimization, patent care quality and program analysis, medical devices, pharmacy supply, chain management, drug discovery and development analysis. Okay, this is for health and life science, telecommunication, revenue assurance, price optimization, customer prevention, campaign management, customer loyalty, call details records analysis, network performance and optimization, mobile users location analysis, then e-commerce and customer services, cross-channel analytics. Okay, next event analytics, recommendation engines using predictive analytics, right offers at right times, next best offer, and next best action. Okay, so this is a big data analysis we need to focus. So big data landscape here, you can say these are different companies which you are following. The things you can see here, your ad media application, vertical ads, business intelligence like Oracle, SAP, they do, IBM does, data as a services, you can see here, analytic and visual effect, okay, SAS, and your structural database, Oracle does, IBM does, DB2, Sybase, infrastructure as in Amazon, Windows, Azure, InfoChimps, Google BigQuery, operational infrastructure like your 10GN, okay, Teradata, okay, Magic Logics, Informatica, okay. So the analytics infrastructure like your Cloudera, EMC Square, Greenplum, EMC Square, Mapper. Okay, so these are the certain things. Technology generally use HBase. So these are different technology you use and they need to do their requirements. Okay, I'm seeing. Now first is called, you can go for a marketing knowledge management. Knowledge management is a process of managing the creation, uses, dissemination of knowledge. Okay, so how you create knowledge for your requirement. Okay, so that is a process of managing creation, use, or dissemination of knowledge. So it is important called knowledge management. Data, information, knowledge are shared with internal decision making, partners, channel members, sometimes customers. Okay, so here also require data, information, knowledge are shared with the internal decision makers. We can have a discussion about the information, how they are behaving for the requirements. Okay, I'm saying. So partners, channel members, sometimes customers, we can do it. The marketing knowledge database includes data about customer, prospective, and competitor. Already have discussed these things for the requirement. Electronics marketing information system. A marketing information system is the process by which marketer manage knowledge. Many firms store data in database, data warehouse, available 24/7 to e-marketer. Interact other technology facilitated data collections. Okay. Secondary data provide information about competitors. You should take the competitor information, consumers, economic, environment, technology, etc. So marketers use the internet, other technology to collect primary data about consumers. So here requirement, electronics information system can be done and it has to be available 24/7. Okay, it should be considered to be one of the most important things, requirements. So you can see here the most common data collection method survey, we depend upon 96%. So here survey we require 96 out of 100, 96% is more requirement in the overall things. The syndicate research 81%. Okay. Then your focus group 80%, company sell data 66%, scanner 26%, other 21%. So highest is the survey. So you require a 100% primary data for requirements. So you can see here data collection methods. So data collection method are two types called quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. Generally 90% you have to go for quantitative analysis for data collection for your requirements. Then only you are able to get information for your requirements. Okay, so this is called a present scenario, how a data collection method take place. So where all the company depend upon survey. So survey and syndicate research, because syndicate research is authenticate way of data collections. It is already validated, okay, in the forum. So they have belief. Focus group is also a one time of direct interaction with the expert committee members. So that can be done in the things. Company census data also sometimes. Sales data, the sales data is also we can say that they are directly interacting with the customers. How their feedback, they can take the feedback. Whether they are satisfying the particular data or not, they need to think. Then only you can able to do the decisions. Okay, what I'm saying. Proportion of market share, you can see here. Online, online is a more advanced collection of data. We can say here above 90%. Telephone, it is coming around below 80 or 75%. In person here is coming from 55. Mail is very rare because mail cannot be mail intercept and others. Okay, so these are the different proportion of market research professional using various methodology. Okay, for the collecting the data and which can be information for the requirements, which will useful for the data for the requirement and overall things. So this is sample web survey. Generally, I have taken it is done. It is 5 p.m. on weekend. We with your friends at a restaurant selecting a beverage. How important are you of following to you when selected a beverage to consume immediately? This type of question you can do it. We can say this type of question is called Likert scale. So I have taken your 4-point Likert scale. So here you can see here extremely unimportant, somewhat unimportant, somewhat important, extremely important. So I have given the different question format and you can design under Google format. So Likert scale I have followed with scale of rating, 4 scale of rating. General Likert scale you should go for 5 Likert scale, 5 scale Likert scale you can follow. So I have taken your Likert scale for sample web survey. We are doing a web survey is one of the dynamic survey requirements. Okay. So what is your another one? You are giving the genders, okay, and what is the age? So this is one example. I show you guys, okay. So now secondary data first. This I show you the primary data. Secondary data you can show here. Can be collected more quickly, less expensive than primary data because it will take primary data will take more time. Primary data will take more time for your requirements. Okay. So that is why we focus more on primary data, but secondary data you can collect the data through internet, books, and other journal papers, marketing journal papers, or all journal papers, research articles. You can get from secondary data. So secondary data may not meet e-marketer information needs. Data was gathered for a different uses. Quality of secondary data may be unknown. Data may be old. So we cannot able to predict whether data is genuine data or data is old data. We cannot predict for your requirements. Okay. Marketer continuously scan the macro environment for threat and opportunities. So we can do a business intelligence called SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis are 4 types. One is strength, weakness, threats and opportunities. They are able to know understand what is the macro environment as well as micro environment, so they can do the decision making process. Like this time is a pandemic, so they need to do certain decisions. Public and private data source. Publicly generated data is called USA Patent Office, Government Sector or Indian Patent Office, International IMF, International Monetary Fund, World Factbook, American Marketing Association, Wikipedia. So these are called publicly, which are readily available in public format. Privately generated data, you require some money you need to pay. Okay, ComScore, Foster Research, Nielsen Net Rating, Interactive Advertising Bureau, Commercial Online Database. So these are we need to pay some amount. You can get the data for your requirements. Okay, for that we need to pay a certain amount, and so they can collect the data for the requirements. Okay, so this is called privately generated database management. Third, primary data. When secondary data are not available, marketer may collect their own information. Primary data information gathering for the first time to solve a particular problems. Primary data collection can be enhanced by the internet, online experiment, okay, online focus groups, online observation, content analysis, online survey research. These are the different methods or techniques to go for primary data. These are already discussed. So primary research steps, what are the different primary steps? Research step we need to focus. Research problem, research plan, data collection, data analysis, distribution of findings. So research problem is nothing but there is a certain case problem. There's some problem area we need to identify. We need to identify the problem area. Research problem area, we need to identify a research gap. We need to identify the research gap. Okay. So then after identifying the research gap, we need to have a research plan based upon your objective. We need to go for how to, you need to plan it, how to resolve, how to get a better solution. You need to have a plan. We have to do it in order to find out the things. So how to, you need to find out the plan for the requirements. Okay, I'm saying. Then after understanding the research plan, okay, what are the research plan means what type of research methodology you need to follow, what are the sampling technique you need to follow, what is the time frame we should complete the work so that we can resolve the problem, okay, what type of statistical tool you need to implement, what are the sample size, okay, we need to see that data is validity or not, you have to put certain hypothesis. These are a certain strategy you have to do. Whether it's a descriptive research, types of research we need to understand. Okay, these are under research plan we need to identify. Okay, I'm saying. So next is called data collection. You need already you know these are two types of data collection. One is called primary data and secondary data. So we need to see how a data can be collected and which can be useful. You require a correct data for your requirements. So what are the different data we can collect and can do it. Then after data collection, we go for analysis, data analysis, so that we can get the interpretation. So data analysis, how you do a data analysis? There will be a data table, there will be a graphs, there will be a data table, data analysis, data graphs. Then there will be a interpretation. Okay, what I'm saying? So data analysis can be done through statistical analysis like your correlation, regression, ANOVA or ANOVA and chi-square test, F-test, T-test, putting certain hypothesis, we can interpret the result. Okay, we can interpret the result and findings. Okay, so data analysis also we need to know and we need to able to analyze for your requirements. So after that, findings we need to put it. Findings, suggestion, and recommendation and conclusion. So these are the final steps. Primary research step we need to do it for your requirements. Typical research problem for e-marketing. So what are the different research problem arises in the e-marketing process? Okay. First one is called online retailers. Improve online merchandise. Forecast product demand. Test new product. Test various price points, test co-branding, partnership effectiveness, measure affiliated program effectiveness, customer and prospects. Okay, these are called online retailing problems. Web and social media sites, page view most often, increase customer engagement, increase number of comments posted to a blog, path user take through the site visit overall satisfaction efficient, social media conversation sentiment. Okay, these are under web and social media sites. Okay, customers and prospects, identify new market segments, measure loyalty among registered users, profile current customers, test site customization techniques. Next is called test core social media application, test new promotion, optimize site usability and revenue, measure display at click through. So these are under marketing communication. Advantage and disadvantage of online survey research. First advantage called fast and inexpensive. So it is not expensive. Diverse large group of internet users worldwide to small specialized things. So it can cover all over the world. Reduce research data and entry errors because of respondent data entry. So respondent will enter. There will be no problem in the data entry. Honest response to sensitive questions. Okay. Anyone can answer, invitation only or password protected. This will be password protected. Okay, e.g. tabulation of electronics data, less interviewer biasness. So interviewer biasness will not be there. So these are the advantages.